Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, Mr. Fahru Rozi and all my friends. First of all, we would like to thank you for coming to our presentation today. Introduce us from K5. We consist of 3 people: Ica Erin Madastania, Dwi Susilo Endriyanti, and Hemas Ajeng Pratiwi. In this presentation, we will discuss about meetings. First, we will explain to you the definition of meeting. Then we will explain about the function, benefit, and objective of the meeting. Then we will explain about several types of meeting and some things about the meetings that we will discuss in this presentation. Well, let's start the presentation this time. Let's start the presentation today. There are 2 definitions according to experts. First, according to Nunung and Queen Effie, meetings are a communication tool between office leaders and their staff. Second, according to Santo, meetings are a form of face-to-face media communication that is often held by many organizations, both individuals and government. Tool for obtaining consent through group discussion, media for deliberate decision making to reach agreement, one of the official group communication, meeting members of the office or the organization itself to discuss and negotiate issue related to common interests. Meeting of members or employees of an organization to discuss matters relating to interests of the organization. Meeting function: keep up with rapidly evolving information. Managers receive information through very fast communication system from companies and individuals from all over. Information-based decision-making affect every aspect of the company: sales, marketing, manufacturing, finance, and planning. General meetings function: to solve or find a way out of a problem, then to convey information, others statement. Then, as a forum for friendship and democracy, it is hoped that the meeting participants can participate in the issue that are being raised. Then, as a good coordination tool between meeting participants and the company or organization, and accommodate all problems from below. Then, as a means of negotiation. Meeting people. Conference is a meeting or meeting that is usually held between countries. Congress is a meeting or meeting that is usually held by political organization or parties. Seminar is a meeting or meeting that is usually held to discuss a problem or issue to achieve uniformity of opinion. Symposium is a meeting that usually discuss a problem or problem. Discussion is a meeting or meeting in the form of an exchange of opinion or through on a subject matter or problem to obtain more complete information or knowledge. An interview is meeting between one or two interviewers and an interviewers to obtain the required information. Type of meeting based on form. Broadly speaking, the type of meeting are still divided into several paths, namely types of meeting based on their purpose, type of meeting based on their nature, type of meeting based on time period, based on frequency, and even types of meeting based on name. Type of meeting type by name. Work meeting. Meetings are meetings of employees and leaders to discuss matters relating to the implementation of the duties of an agency or company. Service meeting. Meetings that discuss official or work issues are usually found in government agency. Types of meeting based on frequency. Regular meetings. Meeting whose time has been determined on a regular basis. For example, weekly meetings, monthly meetings, or annual meetings. Incidental meeting. Meetings held without prior planning. This usually happens because there is a problem that requires handling as quickly as possible, where the handling is decided through a meeting between interest parties.
Type of meeting based on nature. Official meeting. This is meeting that have been careful planned in advance, are carried out officially, and have applicable regulation for the smooth running of the meeting. In this case, the meeting committee will usually provide a meeting invitation letter to the meeting participant. Informal meeting. This is meetings are held without special planning, sometimes even suddenly because of interests that must be discussed as soon as possible. Meeting participants usually will not be given a meeting invitation, but will only receive a meeting notification directly. Open meeting. This is meeting that be attended by all members. In an open meeting, there will be undiscussed material or confidential information. Closed meeting. This is meeting are held only to be attended by certain people in an agency, organization, or company. Usually, this meeting have to discuss material or confidential information. The next type of meeting based on purpose. Explanation meeting. This is meeting are held with the aim of conveying explanation or information to meeting participants. In this case, the delivery of information is usually done by the head to the agency, organization, and company. Troubleshooting meeting. This is meeting are held to find solution to a problem at hand. The participant is very large in the type of meeting, which is expected to be able to provide input, either suggestion or opinion that will be negotiation together to find the most appropriate solution to the current problem. The next, negotiation meeting. This is meeting are held to resolve disputes between two or more participants. with the aim of finding a middle ground in this detrimental to the discussion participant. Type of meeting based on the time period. Weekly meeting. This is meeting are held every week on a regular basis, which are usually held to discuss the obstacle faced by all participants and look for solution. The next monthly meeting. This is meeting are held every month and are usually used to discuss a matter regarding the previous month. This is case. The problem based in the previous month will be solved for solution within government agency, organization, and company. Semester meeting. This is meeting are held every 6 months and are used to evaluating proper problem or work result for the previous 6 months. This is after evaluation the previous performance. This is hope that I will be able to optimize or improve performance and solve problem that occurs. The next annual meeting. This is meeting or held once a year, used to discuss matter for the long term. For example, this evaluating the performance of the previous 1 year, determining plan for the next 1 year. The next general meeting objective. To convey information to other group, to be heard and known by other group, to get input in the form of critique or suggestion from other member is if there is a problem. To solve problem together. Some of the objective of the meeting are below. The one, convey information or decision that have been taken previously to the people or interested participant. The two, make decision in accordance with the authority of the meeting participant or people involvement in the meeting. The next, establish cooperation among members to form a district attitude. Thus, it is hoped that all parties can cooperate with other participants, not only thinking about their own work. Involving several people to get a solution to the problem at hand. Accommodation input from meeting participant, for example regarding employer salary interest. The next, presenting the problem being faced that must be done openly in the meeting. The next, provide enthusiasm and motivation to member or meeting participant to be able to provide even more maximum performance. The next, to break the ongoing dispute and resolve in amicable without harming any party. The next, to establish business cooperation with other companies that are mutually beneficial for both parties. The next, meeting benefit. This is to find a way or a solution to the problem at hand, to convey information, order, and statement to meeting participant as a means of negotiating to resolve problem and find the best solution that is not detrimental to all participants. The next, to get innovative and creative new idea. The next, is a medium to help meeting participant can participant is solving a problem. The next, accommodation at complaint or obstacle experienced by all meeting participants at work or in carrying out their duties. The next as a means of establishing a regulation, and the last as a democratic forum.
Ethic for preparing question in meeting. Why? Why should the meeting be held? The secretary or meeting member must know why this meeting is being held. What meeting is a question that can help the secretary to know what type of meeting to take place. Who are the meeting participants? The secretary must know who shall be present at the meeting. When the meeting is being held, the place asked to hold the meeting must be clear. When the meeting is held, the time when the meeting will be held must be clear. Participants must 1. Be active. 2. Avoid debate. 3. The question asked shall be short and clear. 4. Opinion or statement according to the meeting discussion. 5. Respect other people's opinion. Meeting planning and preparation. 5W plus 1 H. Coordination. Why? Why do meeting need to be held? What issue will be discussed at the meeting? Who will be invited to the meeting? Where? When will the meeting be held? When will the meeting be held? How the meeting will be held? Meeting preparation. Making meeting agendas. Determine meeting participant. Create a meeting invitation. Make a meeting attendance list. Preparing meeting material. Prepare meeting equipment and sublist. Prepare the meeting room. Accommodation or lodging. Transportation. Consumption. Health. Final preparation check. Design. Planning the agenda and schedule of event. Designing financial. Analyzing meeting discussion. Prepare the needs of meeting members. Determine the schedule and timing. Communication style at meeting. A person's communication style will determine the success of a communication. Something that must be considered in the communication style include effective communication requirement, perception, authority, credibility, control, suitability. The language is clear, concise, precise, and valid, and can be understood easily by others. Say, language is body or body movement or facial expression. Character and ethics also influence a person's communication style. The style of language determines the style of communication.